How to fix no drives detected during Windows installations. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, check physical connection. Ensure cables are properly connected to the drive and motherboard, that is SATA and NVMe. If this is not the issue, you need to download drivers. Download the correct Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver based on your processor generations. Prepare the driver files and then copy drivers to USB. Then you have to install Windows. During Windows installation, you can click Load Driver. Browse to the USB drive and install the Intel RST driver. If the driver fails, search for system information and get your motherboard model. You can download appropriate SATA or RAID drivers for your motherboard from the manufacturer website and copy them to your USB. Retry the installation with the new drivers. Once done, you will fix no drivers or drives detected during Windows installation. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.